Okay, good morning, everybody. We'll get started here. This is the Monday morning weekly briefing. My name is Kathleen, and am a meteorologist here at the National Weather Service. And this should be a very quick and easy briefing for you this morning. Just a little recap. We had obviously a snow event this past weekend, Friday and Saturday. Here is a map that some of our forecasters put together of snowfall totals across North Carolina, South Carolina, portions of Virginia, and the Appalachian Mountains. And you can see that the gradient was quite steep, going between the Triad and about Burlington, North Carolina. Places, Pofftown had 7 or 8 inches of snow, while Burlington had half an inch. So you can see the gradient was pretty strong, and majority of the snow fell in the higher elevations. But that's just a quick little look at what we were seeing from this event. Moving on to what we're expecting this week, we're going to have a series of cold fronts and waves go through. The first one will be tomorrow afternoon, evening, so we'll see temperatures and wind chills even getting down below normal for Tuesday night into Wednesday, and then warm up again briefly and drop back down into the 40s for highs later this week and early this weekend. The only chance we have for any kind of precipitation is going to come on Thursday, but even that is still a low chance at this point. Being this time of year, not seeing any chance for severe weather whatsoever. So we'll move on. Here's the precipitation forecast. As I said earlier, you can see that we don't really have any chances for rain until we get into Thursday, Friday, and beyond. Best chances are going to come on Saturday and Sunday, with total rainfall amounts still less than an inch across the area. We'll look at the Climate Prediction Center's 8 to 14 day outlooks of temperature and precipitation. You can see that we're hovering right around the normal category there, so maybe a slight chance of below normal precipitation and normal in regards to the temperature. Obviously no tropical systems to worry about. I'd be concerned if there were. And so we'll go on to the summary here. Just a quick recap. We saw the snow totals from this weekend. If you were lucky enough to live in the mountains or the higher elevations or points out in the Triad and get a decent amount of snowfall, congratulations. If you don't like that sort of thing, I'm sorry. We shouldn't have another round of snow, at least for the next 7 days. We will see a relatively nice week, seasonable as far as temperatures go, within a few degrees above or below for the most part. Dry weather is expected, with the exception of possibly this weekend seeing some rain. However, chances are not real high certainty there. We will see a dry cold frontal passage on Tuesday, and we'll see temperatures drop down into the low to mid 20s. Wind chills, though, will be ranging from around 10 degrees in the northwest near Triad, 15 or so in Raleigh, and then, upper teens down in the coastal plain. So it will feel quite chilly on Tuesday night, warming up again on Thursday, and then another chance for rain and some cooler weather this weekend. But that is all I have for you. So does anybody have any questions before we conclude the briefing? All right, I'm not seeing any questions. If you come up with any or you need any assistance otherwise, please respond in the email. Otherwise, I hope everybody has a great week and enjoy the weather.